Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to make burger style sandwich. First we will make the vegetable patties. For this heat a pan, pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heated, add chopped half onion. Saute it until it is translucent. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell goes away. Now add 1 chopped carrot, chop 10 beans, 1/4 cup of green peas, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon of chili powder, ½ teaspoon of chaat masala. Add some water and close it for 5 minutes to cook. Between this, take 4 boiled potatoes, mash it. Now open the lid and add mashed potato into this. Saute it for a few seconds. Now take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of maida. Pour a little amount of water to make a batter like this. Now roll the vegetable mixture. And dip it in the maida batter, then dip in the breadcrumbs. Toast it in the dosa pan. Now take 2 slices of bread, and cut it like this if you want, otherwise leave it as it is. Spread the pizza sauce, place the veg patties which we have made. Add some onion slices, cabbage strips, capsicum strips, and a teaspoon of mayonnaise. Close with another bread slice and eat it without toasting, or you can toast it if you want. Now the burger style sandwich is ready. Please try this at your home. Post your feedback, like and share the video. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.